The Hannsa YL1000-A is a high-speed, high-productivity vertical machining center with the capacity to handle high-precision machining with ease. The YL1000-A is designed with linear ways on the X, Y, and Z axis combined with 4 linear ways on the base to achieve outstanding stability in high-speed machining. This machine employs a BT40 12,000 RPM high-speed spindle, making it excellent for high-speed machining on precision molds. Take a look at the YL1000-A's outstanding capabilities in precision mold machining. The YL1000-A uses a round nose end mill to perform rough cutting, medium duty cutting, and fine finishing.